Hello there, my name is Andrew Druckman and I'd like to welcome you to the channel because after all, the reason why you clicked that link is because you want to learn how to get more lawn care customers in my area. Well, guess what? You just came to the right place because that's exactly what we are going to be talking about today. Now, if you haven't done so already yet, consider subscribing to Traffic Magic because that is what we do. We talk about different tips and strategies to help you get more people to the front door of your business every single day. Because after all, if you have nobody at the front door of your business, you have no business because that is the bloodline to your business. And also something to keep in mind, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video so this way you can get more of an in-depth training and get more people to the front door of your business every single day. Now, without further ado, let's get into the action. But first, the question that needs to be asked is, why is it that most lawn care businesses struggle? Here's the truth, most lawn care businesses owners don't want to hear. The reason you're not getting enough customers isn't because that people don't need lawn care, it's because of the fact they don't even know that you exist. Homeowners are consistently searching for lawn care services, but if your business isn't showing up in the right places, they're going to be calling someone else. However, though, the good news is that once you fix this, customers are going to start finding you instead of you chasing them. Now, the very first step what we're going to be going over today is dominate your local area. The first step to getting more lawn care customers in your area is to think local, not global. You don't need thousands of followers, you need visibility in your city. Make sure your business name, phone number, and service area are consistent everywhere online. That means Google, Facebook, any other listings you can find. When someone searches lawn care near me, you want your name to be the one that they first see. Now, local trust beats big advertising every single time. The second step, what we're going to be going over today, is target the right neighborhoods. Not all neighborhoods are equal. If you want more customers and better customers, you need to focus on areas where people actually pay for lawn care. Drive through your city and look for neighborhoods with clean homes, maintained lawns, and consistent landscaping. These homeowners already understand value. Once you identify those neighborhoods, focus your efforts there. One good neighborhood can bring you dozens of repeat clients. Now, the third step of what we are going to be going over today is position your service as the best option. If you market yourself as cheap, you'll attract cheap clients. Instead, position yourself as reliable, professional, and local. Use before and after photos, show your work, and explain your process. Homeowners want someone they can trust with their property. When you communicate clearly and professionally, price becomes less important and trust becomes everything. Now, the fourth step, what we're going to be going over today, is use simple local content. Excuse me. One of the fastest ways to get more lawn care customers is by creating simple local content. Post short videos or photos talking about lawn tips for your city. Mention your area by name. For example, you could say, here's how homeowners in your city can keep their lawn green during the summer. This builds authority and makes local homeowners feel like you're speaking directly to them because you are. Now, the fifth step of what we're going to be going over today is turn visibility into leads. Visibility alone isn't enough. You need a way for people to contact you easily. Make it simple, one phone call, and one clear call to action. Tell people exactly what to do next. Call, message, or request a quote. When you remove confusion, you increase conversions. This is where most businesses lose customers without even realizing it. Now, the sixth step, or what we're going to be going over today, is follow up like a pro. Most lawn care businesses lose money in the follow-up. If someone reaches out and doesn't book immediately, don't forget about them. Follow up professionally. A simple message like just checking in to see if you still need lawn care services can turn a maybe into a yes. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds customers. And if you felt like you got some value out of this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know where your thoughts are on this. And also remember, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video so that this way you can get more of an in-depth training on how to get more people to the front door of your business every single day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.